In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp with consulting clients. If you're a consultant, having a repeatable, organized workflow saves time and makes your client experience feel professional from day one. We're going to quickly grab ClickUp's consulting services template and set it up so you can start managing engagements with clarity and confidence. Start by opening your browser and searching for the phrase Consulting Service Template ClickUp. Using that exact phrase helps you land on the official resource quickly. In the results, look for the link that points to ClickUp's consulting services template on the official ClickUp site. It should clearly reference the template and the ClickUp domain, which is a good sign you're in the right place. Once you're on the template page, take a moment to skim the overview. You'll typically see what the template includes, how it's structured, and examples of the kinds of lists, tasks, and views it creates. This is helpful context before you bring it into your workspace. Think of this template as a starting framework for client discovery, deliverables, timelines, and communication, so you don't have to reinvent your setup for every engagement. When you're ready, click the Get Free Template button. This will direct you into ClickUp. If you're not already in the app, you may be prompted to open or access your workspace before proceeding. The key is simply to continue through until you see the option to use the template inside the app. Next, click Use Template. This applies the consulting services structure into your ClickUp environment. After that click, ClickUp will create the folders, lists, example tasks, and default views associated with the template. You'll likely see views like List, Board, and possibly Timeline or Gantt, plus sections suited for client work. From here, you can review what was added and get familiar with how items are organized. As a best practice, consider how this framework maps to your typical engagement phases, such as onboarding, strategy, execution, and wrap-up. The beauty of starting with a template is that you can later rename lists, tweak statuses, and adjust fields so they match your exact deliverables and reporting needs. If you collaborate with clients in ClickUp, this setup also makes it easier to grant them visibility into progress without exposing internal notes you don't want to share. And that's it. You searched for the consulting services template, opened the official result, grabbed the free template, and used it in your ClickUp workspace. With this foundation in place, you can move faster, keep projects on track, and give your consulting clients a polished, consistent experience every time.